welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. It was supposed to be just a fun Friday night. Lina and her close friend Tariq had known each other for years. They had shared school memories, family gathering, and countless late night conversation. Lina trusted him completely. That evening, they decided to go to a small local bar. Lina had just finished a long week at work and wanted to relax. Tariq, however, had been drinking heavily all day. Lina ignored it, thinking she knew him well enough to handle his mood. As the night went on, Tariq became louder and more unpredictable. Tariq started pressuring Lina into taking shots, insisting it was just fun and that she should loosen up. Lina hesitated, but out of trust, she agreed to join him for a few drinks. The more Tariq drank, the darker his mood became. Tariq began making cruel jokes and mocking people around them. He grew jealous when Lina laughed at someone else's story and, in a flash of anger, grabbed her arm tightly. Lina tried to pull away, but Tariq's grip was stronger than she expected. What should have been a night of laughter turned into a nightmare. Tariq, under the influence of alcohol, made choices he would never have made sober. Word turned into threat turned into violence. By the time Lina escaped and ran to the bar exit, she realized something devastating. The friend she had trusted the most had become a stranger she could no longer recognize. The next morning, Lina woke up at home, bruised and shaken, replaying the night in her mind. She realized she had trusted the wrong person, and alcohol had revealed a side of Tariq she had never seen before. That night left her with scars, both physical and emotional, and a painful lesson. Sometimes the people you trust the most can hurt you when they let their worst side take over. From that day on, Lina swore to herself never to mix blind trust with alcohol. Some friendship, no matter how long, come with hidden danger, and when alcohol cloud judgment, even closest friend can become a risk. So please trust wisely. Alcohol can reveal true intention. Sometimes distance is safer than blind loyalty. Do not drink. Do not consume alcohol. Alcohol is not good for you. It will spoil you. It will spoil your reputation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.